Find the best freelance websites to expand your work prospects and build out your next project. The best freelance websites connect freelancers looking to boost workloads and career opportunities with organizations that need their experience and expertise. Starting at number 1, Toptal. Toptal doesn't have the most text-intensive database of jobs or users, but that's the point. This site only lists world-class freelancers. That's why companies like Microsoft, Bridgestone, and Salesforce rely on Toptal to find top talent. Toptal uses a rigorous screening process to ensure that only the best candidates are available, with language and personality reviews, skills tests, live screening, and test projects all used to find world-class talent. The firm says that only 3% of its freelance applicants send uplisted, and Toptal also uses industry experts to handpick freelancers for each project. That's a high barrier to entry, but it means that freelancers can pick up lucrative projects and that companies will find high-quality workers. Also, consider that Toptal only works with developers, designers, finance experts, and product and project managers. The focused job titles and high barrier to entry mean that there will be lots of situations where Toptal just isn't suitable. But if you're a world-class freelancer or if you need to find that world-class talent, this is the place to start. At number 2, ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter is one of the easiest job boards to use, which makes it ideal if you're just starting your journey in the world of work, or if you're not particularly confident with using computers. The easy approach sits alongside a sizable job database. This site works like a job search engine, so it's instantly familiar. It doesn't throw loads of options at you either. Put in your keyword, location, and the distance you're willing to travel, and you'll quickly see a list of relevant positions. ZipRecruiter is easy to use, especially if companies use Quick Apply and has a large job database and good profiling. However, the lack of filtering means it's only suitable if you know what you're looking for or if you're happy to sift through loads of listings, and the lack of features means we wouldn't rely solely on this site. At number 3, Freelancer.com, best freelance website for businesses. Freelancer.com is one of the most straightforward freelance marketplaces online, so it's no wonder that it's trusted by companies like Amazon, IBM, and Google. It's also one of the largest freelance sites, too. The company claims that it has a global pool of 50 million users who have expertise in more than 1,800 different skills. If you're an employer, you can browse people's portfolios and quickly post a listing, and Freelancer.com says that 80% of its jobs receive a bid from a freelancer within 60 seconds. The size of this site means that it's suitable for all kinds of large and small projects, and you can use the site's recruitment and project management experts if you need a little guidance. Freelancer.com's massive database of users, straightforward job posting, and mobile app mean that this is an impressive and versatile option for both freelancers and employers. At number 4, Upwork, best website for freelancer verification and review. Upwork is one of the most prominent freelance marketplaces on the web, and there's plenty of reasons to use this vast site. It lists freelancers in every conceivable job and every big industry and focuses on marketing and software development. Upwork verifies and reviews freelancers, so you can be sure you're hiring someone legitimate. You can even check a freelancer's work samples before you make an offer. Freelancers can also take advantage of articles and resources to help them find work and grow their careers. Once a company has posted a project, freelancers can apply for the position, allowing employers to find the best fit for the job. There's a wide variety of short and long-term contracts on Upwork, and it's easy for freelancers and employers to chat thanks to text and video messaging. At number 5, Guru, best freelancing site for payment flexibility. Guru isn't just one of the best freelance websites out there. It's also one of the largest freelance marketplaces on the web, with more than 2 million freelancers and 800,000 employers listed. And that means you'll be able to find experts in a variety of fields. Guru covers programming and development, design, writing, sales, marketing, and management, and you'll also be able to find freelancers who work in the legal, engineering, and education fields. The site's colossal database has freelancer verification so you can be sure you're hiring a legitimate person. Secure payments and low fees mean that the process is reliable and trustworthy for both freelancers and employers. If you're a freelancer, you can receive more bids, pay lower fees, boost your ranking, and send highlighted quotes, and paid employer accounts mean you get lower fees, unlimited job postings, and access to top freelancers. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.